in Phuket Old Town on a Sunday for Sunday Walking Street. Is just once a week, and you know, it's crowded, of course. Different times, different types of tourists. And so come down, check out the food, the toys, the games, the snacks. And behind me have a pineapple counter there, all the nice pineapple you could ever want. That guy bought one. That's it. How much is a pineapple? Look at that. Little miniature pineapple. That's interesting. Cool. Okay, here we go. So with so much different types of foods here, how do you actually choose what you want? I mean, do you want chestnuts? Do you want noodles? Do you want fried chicken or fried pork or, drinks? All kinds of stuff. Well, and what is safe to eat? What isn't safe to eat? Is there a method behind the madness? Or munch your way through it all, through the baked goods and cookies and candies and ice cream and all that kind of stuff? Well, you can. So let's see what I would get. Here's a nice traditional Thai dish for you, mango sticky rice. And I got some nice people chopping it up. And yep, they're going to be cutting it up and put it on their dishes to eat up for sure. Got two customers there, very nice. Look how nicely she places it in that container there. Doesn't that look great? Wow, that's the coconut. She's putting some of the little mung beans on top. Spoon, eat it up. And that's mango sticky rice for 60 baht, or about $2. This is the crispy pork man, and it's 240 baht for a stick. There you go. 240 baht for one of those. Nice and crispy. Good. So what is kind of trending in the street food here in Phuket? It seems to be this corn. Everyone seems to be eating the butter, sugar, corn. Yep, that's what they're doing. Freshly boiled and then put it in the cup, and you got one for about $1.20, something like that. Nice looking corn. Butter, sugar, butter, salt. That seems like a lot of people are eating that. This is all fried foods here. Sand crab is called this place. Shrimp and flossy shrimp. Thanks for joining us today, and please like and subscribe and come back and see us again soon at Asia Eats and Street Beats.